நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
We have to be one and all and one together. Only then we can fight with the illness and bring out wellness to every member, not only of our own country.
Don't try to reform everyone around us. Let us try to change ourselves. We have complete power over ourselves, our thoughts, the words we speak, and the actions. So don't try to say that I'm going to change. They will change by themselves.
Be free from fear. Be free from egoism. Be free from jealousy.
So Avai said, Ariyadu ketkin nadiyadu velu aridu aridu maanilarai pirathal aridu. If you ask me what is the rarest of the rarest of the rarest is being born as a human being.
You are not a bony animal, you are a brainy. And we talk so much about our brain power. Fruits are the only one which will give you the brain power because it is not taking the other energy for digestion. जीवन में फल पाने के लिए फल प्रयोग करो.
The mind is so powerful, so vast. If we think that heavens and the earth is big, the mind can conquer the heaven and go much beyond and see what is beyond that. That is the power your mind has.
That our forefathers, when they were working in the field, they were more healthier. They never had any diabetes problem. They never had any indigestion problem. They never had any joint pains problem. The reason is when they were walking bare feet and working in the field, the pressure points were already being done. While walking bare feet, they used to get the pressure points activated.
Wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease we think of wellness.
Wow, 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 wow. I love my world of wellness. I create my world of wellness. I celebrate my world of wellness. Wow, 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 wow.
Valiya Nalam, welcome to this session called I Am Who I Am. The question that we need to ask now is, why am I here? Where am I now? Why am I on the planet Earth now? Is there a reason? Is there a purpose? Or is that we are here just like that? It is necessary that every human being has to ask himself, herself this question, why am I here where I am now? My being here on planet Earth now, is it a matter of accident? Or is it a matter that it is an activation of the divine that I am here? We need to ponder this question. If I am here by accident, then I don't have to bother why I am here. But if I am here because of a certain action of the divine, then I need to ponder the question, why am I here now? Where am I? Am I here by chance or by choice? A chance occurrence, or was it a matter of choice that I prefer to be here? Or the divine's choice that I am here, or anyone in your chair, sitting in your chair? If you go to the computer language, am I and you on the planet Earth by default? Or is it by a divine design that we are here? If the answer to the question is that we are here because of the divine action, because of the divine design, and because of the divine choice, then we become responsible for the kind of life that we are going to lead from now on, however good or bad we might have been in the past. So we need to ask the question, why am I here? Every one of us on planet Earth We are here for a mission, for a cause, for a purpose. The mission only which I can fulfill, only which you can fulfill, which every other human being only can fulfill. The mission for which I am created, I am here by design, I am here by choice, I am here by an activation of the divine intelligence. Then that mission can be fulfilled only by me and only by you and only by the person sitting in each of the chair here. So we need to understand why we are here, because we have got a mission to fulfill. My success in life depends on my understanding what is my mission. Why am I here? What is the role that I need to play? What is the role that I need to enact? We need to be conscious of that. Once we are conscious of that, then we will be able to fulfill our role very effectively. That's why Socrates said, know thyself. Because the process of knowing myself is the beginning of wisdom. Knowing yourself is the beginning of wisdom. So let us know ourselves. Why we are here, what we are doing, and how long are we going to do what I am going to do. Shakespeare, in his immortal play, As You Like It, put it like this: the world is a stage and men and women merely players. You and I are players on the stage on the planet Earth because we need to enact the role that God has designed for us. So the question is, what is the role I play? I play a role, and so does everyone. So are you playing a role? So what is the role that we are playing is something we need to ask ourselves. My role is different from the label that I have got for myself or for yourself. The label called South Indian, the label called Tamilian, the label called Christian, the label called my name Anto Vincent, these are all labels. These do not really tell me or tell anybody else of the role that we play. What happens in life is most of us are caught up with a label. Padma Shri Dr. Karthikeyan, in his inaugural address, he talked about various religions, various segments, various castes and communities. And the ego comes in the way, and we are caught up on the label. The request now is to shed, disrobe yourself of the label. Get rid of the label and come back to your original. Strip